So Kaspa is recovering as we see Bitcoin make new all-time highs time after time again, multiple times in the last week. So we're going to talk about why Kaspa is up and basically take a look at the past year in review. And there's some, not just because of Bitcoin, it's up because of Bitcoin for sure, but fundamentals from the ecosystem are also pushing Kaspa to make these, this price recovery. So let's jump into it in this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And let's get into it here. So Kaspa is sitting right now at 15 cents. It is up about just over a percentage over the last day. We can see 46% over the last 7 days and 14% over the last month. So we had a little bit of a dip, a little bit of a recovery. And so things are kind of moving a little bit sideways at this point, having a little tiny bit of a pullback. It actually reached the 16-cent area today. So it's obviously having a pretty decent day today. So what's going on with Kaspa? Why is it moving up? Well, Kaspa surged today because basically one of the main reasons is because Bitcoin has been producing new all-time highs. After the presidential election in the United States where President Trump was elected. So he's now the president-elect, and crypto has been absolutely skyrocketing since then. And I probably don't have to tell you that because if you're watching this video, you're probably into crypto and you already know that. So Kaspa is also one of those to show the most profitability in the past 24 hours. It's kind of come down since this article was written, but it was among the top 100 gainers by market cap. Price was up about 14% earlier in the 24-hour time frame and ranked as the biggest gainer among the top 4 that wasn't associated as a meme coin. So we could see here, price just kind of broke out of that 16-cent range there. And previously, though, the price dipped down into the 10-cent area, and people were getting a little bit annoyed at the price action, but it seems to be recovering very nicely today. The Kaspa price upside also comes as Ghost Egg Protocol Proof of Work coin celebrates the milestone of turning 3. So Kaspa marked its 3rd anniversary on November the 7th. This past year, it has some key developments in the fundamentals, and that's also helping propel the price and having this rebound as well. In August 2024, Kaspa welcomed the Crescendo hard fork, which was an upgrade that aimed at increasing the crypto network's block rate. So it basically went from 1 block per second to 10 blocks per second, and obviously that's a 10-fold increase. Absolutely insane. Also seen the hard forks testnet 11 run smoothly since its launch in January of 2024, with feedback helping to identify bottlenecks. So there's been a ton of development behind Kaspa. We saw smart contracts and we saw meme coins and such hit the ecosystem. So they're making that transformation, making it more interoperable and more adding some more value to the ecosystem. Major Kaspa network milestones include the unveiling of the Kaspa Ecosystem Foundation and Kaspa Japan Ecosystem Association in this past year. Funding of research grants and startups for incubation is basically what the foundations are central to those programs. So June 2024, they got support from Marathon Digital Holdings, and Marathon Digital Holdings is a leading Bitcoin mining company, and they revealed in June that they have been mining Kaspa since September of 2023 and have amassed over $15 million in Kaspa at that time. Kaspa's price surged more than 40% in this past week, and I think it's really gearing up for a pretty steady run here. We could see a run up into the 20-cent mark where all-time high currently sits. Let me just double check that. All-time high is at 20.7 cents. We're only 26% away from that all-time high at this point. So obviously, this is going to be contingent on Bitcoin continuing its run. We might see some profit taking come out of Bitcoin, flow into some altcoins. I'm hoping that that's kind of what we see, more like an altcoin season. But it's too early to tell on that. We're going to have to just kind of keep an eye on things right now. Hopefully we can sustain this run for a little bit longer because I think Kaspa really needs this bounce back. I think it really needs the bounce back to regain some of the confidence in the market. So that's basically what I got for you guys in this video. Looking forward to seeing this thing go, and I can't wait to see Kaspa's first massive bull run. It's going to be amazing. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.